Hey guys, what's up? So today I am playing World of Warships. This is the beta version on the Xbox One. So let's just go ahead and get straight into this game. This video was recorded in May. I didn't even know that I had this video on my file. So it's just been a while, and I'm like, why not just use this video for today's video? So right now I have the Japanese boat called the Chikuma. There are 3 boats that you start with. On default, you have the American Albany, Japanese Chikuma, and the British Weymouth. So different type of boats have their different attributes, such as the Albany have like explosive ammunition, and like the Weymouth has like braking, like shield braking, and then I'm pretty sure the Chikuma also has the same thing that the Albany has. The Albany is in battle because I've just played this like just a little bit ago, so in battle meaning that it's being fixed, and then probably by the next match it should be back. So like I said, this is the beta version, so they may change a few things, but I don't think they're going to change like the general complete like aspect, like controls, but they may add like even more boats, they may remove some boats, etc, etc. So this is a multiplayer game. But right now I'm just doing an AI match because, well, I really don't know what to expect. So, so we're gonna have 26 seconds until we battle, or not. Okay. So right now our battle has just started. Well, not yet. Like, we're in the loading screen, but as you can see, like, I'm just moving the camera around to get a good look at these boats. These ships are so nice. You have like a complete fleet consisting of 8 boats, and then there's 2 teams. So yeah, okay, so the battle is starting, and so we use the left joystick to steer, then A to speed up, and B to slow down on the Xbox controls. I'm not really sure about PC, but so on the right hand side you can see that A gives you more power to go faster. Right now I am going at 6.8 knots at the right hand bottom corner, and then B makes you go slower and stop. The moving circles represent your rotating guns and their reload times. Okay, so right now I have multiple. Oh, okay, so down like right in like that circle area, I have like what guns are activated depending on where I'm locked onto the boat. The number of sectors on the central circle represents the number of aimed guns. So that's basically the central circle that I was just talking about. So I have, what is that, like 3 or so. Now I have 1 that's locked on. But then there's also the enemy flag, I think, that we also have to capture or just destroy the whole other fleet. And then I have my classic map on the top left-hand corner, and then I also have my health on the bottom left-hand corner, and then we have consumables. I'm not really sure what the consumables are for. I think maybe to just like reload or fix your battery. So we have another Weymouth on the opposite team. These are AIs. Oh, okay, so we have emotes. So, okay, that's pretty nice. Oh, okay, someone just shot at me, but I can't see anything. Alright, should I go for, okay, there's an Albany, okay, but I can't see that. Okay, so we have another Albany right here. Might as well just fire, there we go. I don't know if it hit, but I think it's gonna like blow in order to like hit. I'm gonna go and turn. Right now I'm at 3/4 of my power. I'm not at full, so right now my speed is at like 18.4 knots. And it's going up still. So the enemy started capturing the base. Okay, so alright. Okay, so right now we have, what is that, like another Albany. We're just gonna go and shoot that. Yeah, so that's an Albany. Okay, can I hit it this time? So I think like the orange sectors is like when your guns are ready, or like when it's reloading. Yeah, so orange is like when it's just gonna reload, and white means that it's completely loaded, it's ready to fire. Oh, okay, so that, yes, okay, I made hit. I just got like a little notification that says set on fire. Okay, so I do 726 damage on the top right hand side. On the top right hand side, and I have been I think the detected thing is where I've been detected or that I found a boat. Oh no, I have two. Okay, come on. I got my pals to back me up. Okay, so we got another Albany. I'm just gonna go for the weak spot and try to, okay. Alright, okay, I'm gonna go for this spot now. I'm just trying to wait for my guns to reload. Oh, okay, on my Chikuma, I have 10,328 health out of 13,100. So yeah, so this game has lots of potential. You can level up, and you can also like unlock tears, unlock new boats, and sometimes you can just buy special boats. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, and there are also like special like carriers and where you can launch an airstrike on the enemy fleet, so that's pretty nice. But as you can see, like I don't have a ship that does that yet. So alright, so if you guys like want to see more of this, just make sure that you comment down below, and I'll make sure that I can get this and I'll be able to go and play. But I don't know how long the beta version is going to be out, so but I mean, like, we'll see, you know. So alright, okay, so I have been detected. Let's see what alright, okay, so I'm just gonna like go behind on my radar so that I can get away from like the enemy ships that are just trying to tail me right now. And I'm gonna try to go to their base because there's already two boats. So yeah, there's only been like a little bit. Oh, I see you, Weymouth. Can I destroy you? Oh no, okay, I have to be fast. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, the Chikuma. Come on, lock in. Oh man, okay, alright, but I think you can get like pretty cool achievements. So I have like explosive torpedoes, yeah, so I have high explosive weaponry, and I think the Weymouth has shield breaking, so which means that if you have a shield, it will just break that shield, so you'll be even more open to your allies shooting at target. Okay, so there is ours. No, where's, okay, there it is. So I have to get to that flag. Oh man, okay, there's an Albany. Oh, okay, so one ship got sunk, but I'm not sure which. Oh, okay, so there's only two other ships left on the opposite team. So I'm gonna see if I can get this one guy. I have my whole left side of my ship completely locked on. Okay, now I have like a fourth. Okay, come on, lock on to the ship. Here we go, fire! Oh, I missed. Let's go, come on, again, just hit once. No, okay. Ooh, I don't know if I hit that though. Okay, I hit once, alright, okay, so it's 1.7 kilometers away. Come on. Oh man. Oh no, okay. Oh, I'm immobile. Or did I make the other ship immobile? Okay, 1.4, come on. Like, I don't want to get too close, just in case if he can, like, lock on. Oh, yeah, he's definitely going for me. Oh, I only have 4,163 health left. Come on, can I take him out? Can I take him out? Come on. Oh, I missed that completely. I just whiffed right through the pipes there. Oh, yeah, let's go. Alright, okay. I don't know if I, shot them down or not. But, okay. So here we go, we're gonna go ahead and go to their base. Okay, so we got a teammate right there. Well, we're probably not gonna take over their base. Oh, okay, so the battle ended. Did we win? Did we lose?
Stop. Just stop asking questions.
Just like, do they eliminate the other boat? Or do we just like take over their side? Victory! Our team completed objective. Wow, yeah. So, yeah, so if you guys like this video, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. This game has lots of potential, and I really hope that you guys can go ahead and want to get this game, because it has lots of potential. It's very fun. Yeah, so I'll just see you on my next video, guys.